Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're doing fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you WorldRemit how to send money. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video. And make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to send money with WorldRemit, then what you need to do first is create or log into your WorldRemit account. Go to the WorldRemit's website or just simply download the app on your phone, and then once you're there, what you need to do is simply open up the app and then sign up by entering your email, name, phone number, or creating password. Then verify your account, and sometimes you'll need ID verification like passport or national ID for security. The next step is to log into your account. Then once logged into your account, simply tap on send money option. Then choose the country you want to send the money to, then enter the amount you want to send, and WorldRemit will show you fees, exchange rate, and how much the receiver will get. Next step is to choose the receipt method. WorldRemit has different ways your recipient can get the money. Bank transfer, money goes directly into the bank account. Cash pickup, recipient collects cash at an agent location. Mobile money is receiving in your digital wallet like M-Pesa, GCash, or other wallets. And airtime top-up is instantly adds your phone credit. The next step is to enter receiver details. Now fill in the details of the person you want sending money to with their full name, phone number or email, bank account info, mobile wallet if sending to the mobile money, and WorldRemit's need accurate info to make sure the transfer goes to the right person. The next step is to choose a payment method from debit or credit card, bank transfer, or other methods depending on your country. Once you enter your payment method info, review all the details. Then next step is to review and confirm. Simply double check everything like amount, fees we receive, and how they will receive it. If everything looks good, confirm the transfer, and WorldRemit will give you a confirmation and usually sends an email or SMS. Then next is to track your number. You can track the transfer status in the app or on the website, and WorldRemit will update you when the money is sent, processed, and received. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.